The future of tech is closer than you think. Have you ever wondered how some videos, images, or even articles seem to appear out of nowhere? It is not magic, it is generative AI. This amazing technology is changing the way we create content. In just a few years, generative AI will dominate the job market. It is not just for tech experts. Generative AI is becoming a part of every industry you can think of. And here is the best part. According to Glassdoor, a fresher generative AI engineer gets an average salary of 8,70,000 rupees per year. This number represents the median. So if you want to stay ahead of the game and secure a high-paying job in 2025, you need to focus on this skill. As we head into 2025, the world of technology is changing faster than ever before. New skills are needed to keep up with the pace of these changes. And learning the right ones will help you succeed in the future job market. Generative AI is the star of this change. This technology has the power to transform industries from creating art to writing code. AI and automation are taking over tasks that once needed human hands. These technologies are not replacing jobs, they are changing the way we work. And the heart of these trends is generative AI, a technology that can create content, solve problems, and even think creatively. So what exactly is generative AI? At its core, generative AI refers to systems that can create new content. This includes everything from writing articles and creating images to producing music and even generating videos. Think of it as a smart tool that learns from existing data and then uses that knowledge to create something new. For example, if you give a generative AI a few sentences about a topic, it can write an entire article. Or if you show it some pictures of cats, it can generate brand new cat images that never existed before. Generative AI works using complex algorithms and models. One popular type is called a neural network. Imagine a brain made up of many interconnected nodes that process information. These networks learn patterns from large amount of data. The more data they have, the better they become at creating high quality content. For instance, OpenAI's ChatGPT uses a model trained on vast amounts of text from the internet. This allows it to understand language and generate human-like responses. Similarly, tools like DALL-E can create stunning images based on the text prompt. Now that we understand what generative AI is, let's talk about why it is so important for the future. In 2025, businesses will rely heavily on content creation for marketing, communication, and even product development. Generative AI can help companies save time and resources by automating these tasks. According to recent studies, around 73% of marketers are already using some form of AI in their work. This number is expected to grow as more companies realize the benefits of using generative AI tools. Now you might be thinking, why should I care about generative AI? The answer is simple: opportunity. By 2025, generative AI will be everywhere, from entertainment to education, marketing, and healthcare. It is becoming the tool that powers innovation in many fields. Generative AI can be used in many different areas. If you work in marketing, it can help you create content. If you are in software development, it can help you write code. Even in healthcare, it is being used to generate personalized treatment plans. As more companies start using generative AI, the demands of people who understand it rising. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, learning this skill will put you ahead of the competition. As I mentioned earlier, the average salary for jobs involving AI skills is about 8,70,000 rupees per year. This makes it one of the highest paying skills in the market. By focusing on generative AI, you are not only learning a useful tool, but you are also setting up yourself for a high-paying career. Generative AI is already helping content creators write articles, blogs, and social media posts. By 2025, it might help make entire movies, podcasts, and songs. AI can already help you code faster by suggesting fixes or even writing parts of your code for you. As this technology improves, developers will rely more on AI tools to get their work done more efficiently. Generative AI is more than just a tool. It is a mindset. It is about thinking creatively, solving complex problems, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. When you learn generative AI, you are not just learning a new skill, you are gaining a new perspective. You are learning to see the world in a different light, to identify opportunities, and to create value. Whether you are a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, generative AI can take your career to the next level. Learning generative AI is not just about enhancing your employability, it's about positioning yourself at the forefront of innovation. It is about being part of movement that changing the world, one algorithm at a time. When you master generative AI, you are not just gaining a new skill, you are becoming a leader and a change maker. Generative AI is the skill to learn in 2025. It is the key to unlocking new opportunities, driving innovation, and future proofing your career. Thanks for watching. What are your thoughts on generative AI? Do you think it is a must have skill for 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.